Hello students, I am Dr. Rajaram Dhok from Savitribai Phule Pune University affiliated Agricultural Development Trust Shardabai Pawar Mahila College Sharda Nagar Baramati. Let's start. Today's lecture on molecular orbital theory, lecture 7. In this lecture, we learn about the molecular orbital diagram of He2 molecule. In the molecular orbital diagram of He2 molecule, we see this diagram in 6 different stages. So systematically, we learn about the molecular orbital energy level diagram of He2 molecule. So first step is electronic configuration of helium. So helium molecule consists of 2 helium atoms and 2 electrons in each atom. So from this we write the electronic configuration of helium 1s2. In helium atom, two 1s orbitals of 2 helium atom gives 2 molecular orbitals. Out of that, one is bonding molecular orbital, we say that is the sigma, and other is anti-bonding molecular orbital, that is sigma star. Since the bonding orbital is lower in energy, 2 electrons occupies the bonding molecular orbitals. The molecular orbital diagram for He2 molecule is shown in this way. 2 helium atoms. So this is the first helium atom and this is second helium atom. In the first helium atom, one s orbital is present, and in second helium atom, one s orbital is present, and these two 1s atomic orbital of helium combines with each other when wave functions of first atoms 1s orbital and second atoms 1s orbital when combines, then there is addition of atomic orbital and there is formation of sigma 1s bonding molecular orbital. In the second case, when 1s orbital and 1s orbital of second helium atom have opposite wave functions, that one is positive wave functions and other is negative wave functions, then at that time two atomic orbitals repels to each other and there is subtraction of atomic orbitals and there is formation of anti-bonding molecular orbitals, and that anti-bonding molecular orbitals have higher energy than the original atomic orbital energy, and this orbital has given name, that is sigma star 1s. So in this way, by combination of two atomic orbitals of helium 1s and 1s, two molecular orbitals are formed. One is sigma 1s and other is sigma star 1s. Now, in helium atom, first helium atom contains 2 electrons. Second helium atom contains 2 electrons. So total 4 electrons from atomic orbital combines in the molecular orbital, and when that molecular orbitals are filled, then above principle, Pauli's exclusion principle, these rules are followed. So firstly, 2 electrons are filled in lower energy orbital, that is the sigma 1s, and then electron is filled in the sigma star 1s. So here you see here 2 electrons filled in sigma 1s and 2 electrons filled in sigma star 1s. So this is the electron filling in molecular orbital diagram. Now from this diagram we explain the molecular orbital electron configuration of helium. So simply we write the molecular orbital electronic configuration of helium molecule sigma 1s2 and sigma star 1s2. Means in sigma 1s 2 electrons field and in sigma star 1s 2 electrons field. Now from this we explain the fourth step, that is the electronic energy evolved during the formation of He2 molecule. So this energy evolved during the formation of He2 molecule is explained by simple formula, that is energy evolved E is equal to number of electrons in bonding molecular orbital into minus beta plus number of electrons in antibonding molecular orbitals into plus beta. So by adding the values of number of electrons filled in bonding and antibonding molecular orbitals, we write the equation 2 into minus beta plus 2 into plus beta. So these two electrons from the bonding molecular orbitals and it is multiplied by minus beta. Two electrons present in the anti-bonding molecular orbitals, it is multiplied by plus beta. So we get minus 2 beta plus plus 2 beta. So by solving this, we get the value energy evolved is equal to 0. So in He2 molecule, energy evolved is 0. Means here 0 energy evolved means there is not existence of the molecule. So this 0 value is the stabilization energy of He2 molecule, and when energy is 0 means such type of molecule is not stable and it is not in the existence. Means simply we say that He2 molecule does not exist. Instead of that, He atom remains in the monostate and it is stable position. But He2 is not stable and it is not in existence. Now, fifth point is bond order. So number of bonds between two atoms is called bond order. The bond order of this ion or He2 molecule is given by the formula. So there is simple formula that 1 half into number of electrons in bonding molecular orbitals minus number of electrons in anti-bonding molecular orbitals. So by adding the values, that number of electron in bonding molecular orbital is 2. Number of electron in anti-bonding molecular orbital is 2. So 2 minus 2, that is 0 divided by 2. So here value obtained is 0. So this 0 bond order shows that there is no bond formed between two helium atoms. Means in between helium and helium bond is not formed and He2 molecule is not possible. So last property or last point is magnetic property. So here He2 molecule does not exist. It not forms any energy or bond is 0. So He2 molecule is not in existence. I have given you assignment on this topic. You solve the assignment and submit it. For the assignment, you check the link of assignment in this video description.